Earth is not an isolated project. It is one node in a planetary system. Restoration on Earth cannot be separated from what happens next. The Moon is not a destination. It is an extension. It stabilizes Earth. It trains industry beyond atmosphere. It allows heavy manufacturing without further planetary damage. Earth restores the Moon scales. Venus completes the system. Venus is not a refuge. It is not an escape. It is a future asset, an atmospheric engine, a biological factory, a pressure-regulated environment for food, materials, and energy. Earth provides life. The Moon provides structure. Venus provides capacity. This is continuity. Civilizations collapse when they treat planets as isolated problems. Civilizations advance when they treat them as linked stages. Earth restoration buys time. The Moon buys capability. Venus buys abundance. Remove anyone and the system destabilizes. Without Earth, there is no biology. Without the Moon, there is no scale. Without Venus, there is no expansion. This is not science fiction. It is systems engineering applied at planetary scale. The mistake of past civilizations was thinking locally inside a global system. The next civilization thinks systemically inside a planetary network. Earth restoration is phase one, not the end. It is the anchor that allows everything else to exist. This is not escape, this is continuity.